Hello, it's Bella from thoughtsanlifeblog.com coming to you today with a how to add your name or copyright on your photos that you use on your blog or your social media. And for this, we're going to use MS Paint and MS Word, and I'm doing this on my Windows 10 laptop. So without further ado, let me go to my File Explorer to where I keep pictures. I'm going to take this picture here. So I'm going to take this picture here and I'm going to right click. It's just a little bit slow. I'm going to open with Paint. And it's slowly opening up Paint. So this is Microsoft Paint. And so the picture doesn't look like it did on the File Explorer. I'm going to first of all File Save As. And just for the sake of this, calling it test. And the reason why I suggest you do this is so that your original photo doesn't get ruined or corrupted in any way. Now, as you can see, this picture is super zoomed. So what we want to do is resize it. We want to go to pixels. I'm going to select 460 horizontal. And so now we can actually see the picture. And the reason for me selecting 460 horizontal is that is what I understand Instagram uses, and therefore that's what I use for Instagram as well as my blog posts. So now I'm going to go into MS Word. So I'm now in Word and I'm going to write my copyright text and what I want to put onto that photo. So I'm going to do open brackets, C, close brackets, and then I'm going to start typing. Life.com. Right. So Windows should so then I'm going to copy paste this, Control C, and I'm going to go back to my paint picture, and I am going to find this A, which is the text box, and I'm going to click here. So I'm going to click on the A and I'm going to click somewhere on the picture. What you'll notice is this opaque makes it white, so your text is on a white background, or it's transparent. Black is the color in which it's going to be written in. So if I Control V, so that's my copyright text here. And I can edit it here where there's dotted lines on there, so I can take that out. Or I can take all of this out, for example. Or I can add in more text here. Yeah. So then I can move this around with that dotted line like this. So I can move it around, move it to the top, I can move it to the bottom, I can move it in the middle. It might seem it's not big enough, so I might make it 20, make it bold. Yeah. And then I can also change it to silver if I don't want it to stand out. And if I then decide to click away, it is now there on that photo. And so then I can do File and Save. Now you have your name on that photo and you can upload it to your social media or your WordPress.com document. And that's pretty much the easiest way to, add your name onto a photograph. Now, the bits that I was showing you on Word, I'll try it once more, but Word should automatically, when you do open brackets C and close brackets, it should make it a copyright straight away. And the purpose of doing it on Word, if I just do copyright Bella, is if I just now copy paste that Control C here, go back to Paint, and click on A again, and then stick it here, and Control V. So you've got the proper copyright on there, and you can make it B, and you can change the text to font, and then you can do loads with it. And the real beauty of it, all of this, is it's all free. Paint is free as part of Windows 10 or any Windows you have. Word, you'll have it, or any other text application you'll have. So now you've got your JPEG or your PNG or however you wish to save it. And so now you can actually use that for your social media or for your WordPress.com. So that's all I really wanted to show you today. I'll create another video on how you can do this on Canva, which is another free piece of software. And I will attempt to either do a how-to or find a video that you can actually do on your mobile phones. So I have a Samsung mobile phone, and the basic way I do that is take a photo. That photo will go into my gallery. I'll click on that photo in my gallery, and then you get the ability to share it, or you have a little pen, or you have a little T or a little A, which means you can put text on it. So that's how I add text with the pen or the T or the A to my photos that I'll take on my Samsung phone. I am sure Apple has a place, once you take the photo, you can go into the photo, and then you can maybe mark up the photo or edit the photo. So that's something you want to sort of research on your phone. After you've taken the picture, when you go to share the photo, there will be options to edit it or put text on it or mark it up. And that's another great way of adding your name to your photos. And then you can upload it to social media, again, WordPress.com. And your name is on your pictures. And people can't steal it. And then you can change the color of it to make it look faded. So I hope that's helped you. And I'll see you again in another how-to video. Bye.